We are here today to show you 2 dash cams that will help the driver on your holiday list Uber like a pro. This is the FA200 IRC. This 2-channel dashcam allows you to record both the road ahead as well as everything that's going on inside the inner cabin in full HD. This is the Blackview DR750SR. This dashcam is fantastic and is cloud ready. You can use your smartphone to pull up recorded files on the dashcam without having to touch it or the memory card inside it. This comes in handy, especially in situations where the dashcam is damaged or stolen. Looking to go the extra mile on your holiday gift? Come ask us about the optional accessories and add-ons to make your great dashcam an even better one. Looking to expand your... That's not right. Come talk to us about the extra...
You can just take it from looking to go the extra.
Okay.